Hi, I'm Jason Wilk, and in this video we'll be installing a 90174Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit here on the CS490 chainsaw. Before we get started, we want to make sure we have safety glasses, a piece of wire bent into the shape of a hook so we can go ahead and pull a fuel filter out of the fuel tank, a 19mm spark plug wrench, and the 90174Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. First thing we want to do is go ahead and make sure the ignition switch is in the stop position. And then also for safety, we want to make sure the chain brake is pushed forward or in the on position. In order to gain access to the air filter and the spark plug, we need to loosen this air filter cover knob and pull away the cover. Replacing the air filter is really easy. We'll just go ahead and pull the filter off of the carburetor. Take the new filter from the kit and go ahead and just push it back onto the carburetor. Next, we'll replace the spark plug. First thing we need to do is go ahead and pull the spark plug boot off the top of the spark plug. And then using our 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and loosen the spark plug in a counterclockwise direction. Once it's loose, we can use our fingers to unthread from the engine. To install the new spark plug, we'll start threading the spark plug into the engine with our fingers first. And then we'll come back with our 19mm spark plug wrench and we'll tighten in a clockwise direction. Once the spark plug is tightened into the engine, we'll go ahead and push back on our spark plug boot. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall the air filter cover and secure the cover with the knob by turning the knob clockwise until it's nice and tight. To gain access to the fuel filter, we just went ahead and tip the saw on its side. We'll loosen the gas cap, pull the gas cap with the tether out of the tank. We'll take our fuel line hook here, reach into the tank, grab a hold of our fuel line, and then note there is a fuel line clamp at the end of this fuel line. We want to make sure we go ahead and reinstall that with the new filter. We'll take the new fuel filter from the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit and reinstall it onto the line, making sure that the fuel line clamp stays on the fuel line as such. Once a new fuel filter is in place, we'll just go ahead and push it back into the fuel tank and then reinstall our fuel cap. This completes the installation of the 90174Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on our CS490 chainsaw. Thanks for watching and be sure to check back for additional videos.